Okay, what's next? One of these. Ooh, look at that. Generator snout. I don't know what that came off of. I wonder if that was the one that came off of that case right down there. No, it is not the same one. Eyes warning though when I bought that. But see, that would have fixed that though, see. And that would whip it right on there. See, you buy more junk. I just happen to have a nice junk piece laying around, a tool that you need that for. Here's my tool right here. Piece of crap. Aftermarket cam cover. Slightly ugly looking. Someone asked me why I bought that. It's a tool. So you take this, you put it on top of this here, which obviously does not want to bolt on right now, but it's trying to go on. So that's your alignment tool. Then you take this thing here that someone nicely cut off for you, and you have a dowel pin that goes right there and it's missing right now. Or is that a generator hole? Nope, that's a generator hole. Yeah. You cut that off until that fits on there correctly. There's a bolt hole right here. See, it matches up. You make that fit on there, bolt it all together, and you weld it back together. So you take 3 pieces of junk, and you can make a good case out of it. That's why I buy a lot of junk. Using the tools. So that's junk. This is junk. Cam cover's junk. But you put them all the parts together, and you can make a good part out of it. So that's why you buy crap like this. So you can fix junk. So that's how you do it. I don't know what they had this attached to, but it'd been nice if they didn't whack it off, but they did. But oh well, there you go. So, and if I don't want to put on this case, I got a couple more that have been broken. That probably in better condition than that thing. That thing's really bad. But anyway, you can see how you take this piece of crap here that's pretty much worthless, and you can make a tool out of it. See how the hole lines up right there? Goes right like that. And that is your tool for alignment. It sets the offset this way and the side to side. So you weld that all together, you come back and weld across the gasket surface here, and then you machine the case flat, because this would be higher than the rest of the case. Make the whole case flat, go all the way across that, and it bolts right on. Like new. There you go. That's what you do with junk parts.